Hey there! Ever wonder how the paint on your car or the protective coating on an airplane wing is made? Paints and coatings have come a long way since the days of simple natural pigments and binders. Today, they're high-tech marvels designed for specific functions like protection and decoration. So what makes up these modern coatings? They're crafted from pigments, binders, solvents, and additives. Each component plays a crucial role in determining properties such as color, durability, and ease of application. The manufacturing process, it involves selecting the best raw materials, mixing, dispersion, and milling to achieve uniformity. And of course, rigorous quality control ensures consistency in viscosity, color, and drying time. But here's where it gets really exciting. Advancements in material science have led to smart coatings. These are coatings that respond to environmental stimuli. Think self-healing, self-cleaning, anti-corrosive, thermochromic, photochromic, and antimicrobial coatings. Nanotechnology is at the heart of these innovations, incorporating materials like nanosilver, titanium dioxide nanoparticles, and carbon nanotubes to enhance properties like mechanical strength and conductivity. Now, imagine the impact of these smart coatings across industries: automotive, aerospace, electronics, healthcare, you name it. But with innovation come challenges, particularly around environmental impact and safety concerns related to nanomaterials. That's why understanding the fundamentals of paints and coatings, along with smart coating innovations, is crucial. And that's exactly what this online training offers. Why shouldn't you miss out? This training provides essential knowledge in the dynamic field of smart coatings and nanotechnology in paint manufacturing. As industries rapidly adopt advanced coatings, staying informed is crucial for professionals aiming to remain competitive. Participants will enhance their technical expertise, keeping up with emerging trends, research directions, and market demands. They'll learn how to innovate and develop high-performing coatings, ensuring safety and compliance with regulatory frameworks. Plus, it's a fantastic way to boost your professional opportunities and increase your value to employers, who should attend. This training is highly recommended for coating industry professionals, including R&D chemists, formulators, chemical engineers, product developers, scientists, technicians, lab managers, and specialists from coatings, polymers, and related industries. During this training, you'll cover a wide array of topics. A quick introduction to paints and coatings. Their importance across industries like automotive, aerospace, construction, and consumer products. Basic components like pigments, binders, solvents, and additives. Manufacturing processes from raw material selection to quality control. Types of paints and coatings, including architectural, industrial, and specialty coatings. Environmental and regulatory considerations, including VOCs and sustainable practices. An introduction to smart coatings and their market trends and applications. Categories of smart coatings like self-healing, self-cleaning, anti-corrosion, thermochromic, photochromic, and antimicrobial coatings. The role of nanotechnology and the types of nanomaterials used in smart coatings. Ready to revolutionize your paints and coatings formulation expertise? Don't wait. Register for the training and stay ahead in this fast-evolving industry. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com.